that's something you don't see every day.
What an idiot.
Hands up! You're under arrest!
Is that a shark?
Yeah, that's a shark.
Glad you came back.
That thing's freaking pissed.
Yep.
Doris, patch me through to the general. Yeah, Bill?
Yeah, no, I'm here.
We got a code M. And no, this is not a drill.
Yeah, I see him. Nasty looking bastard, ain't he? Don't worry. Chicken's in the basket. What's your collateral damage? Come on, zombie. So it begins. Again.
How could this happen?
The real question is how did it not happen sooner?
I don't know if that's the real question.
One, this whole town is built on a Native American burial site. And two, the Big Yank saltwater taffy factory has been dumping gunk into the ocean for decades. And three, Black Amber Reef has claimed hundreds of ships from the 1700s on, including slavers and pirates.
Pirates. Dude, looks like a pirate.
Looks like a what?
A big-ass, mutated, flesh-eating pirate.
Oh my God.
That'd be Miss Evelyn's 4th grade field trip.
Sean.
What?
We gotta get to Sean.
You still can't go 3 seconds without your girlfriend?
At least he's loyal.
Come on, go!
Oh, you sweet little bitch. Come to daddy. Neighborhood watch is in effect. Hot knocker!
Sean! Hey, is anyone's cell work? I can't get any signal.
Wait, what about no cell service?
Emma! Hey!
Bathroom.
Oh, it's out of order.
It's all right, so is he.
Hey,
What's up,
Vera?
honey?
Hey, hope you guys aren't leaving town. I just heard the bridge collapsed.
Along with civilization as we know it.
Why do you think it spits out their clothes?
Try eating a candy bar with the wrapper still on. It's not as tasty.
Doc?
Think you kids might be just what the doctor ordered. Follow me. You're late for class.
guys are dating now?
No, we're not dating.
Oh, but you slept with her.
What's it to you? You're the one that ran off to school and landed Mr. Frady Pants there.
I left because you were going away. That's all you ever talked about.
You could have come with me.
You never asked.
Yes, me.
I didn't think I had to.
A little more gas, please, Fred.
You got it.
Doc, I want you to take the wheel, right? Okay. I know how you feel about these things.
Just wing them, please.
Okay, you'll be all right. Come on, you son of a bitch! Shut on that! That's sticking it to him, boys.
Vera! Cables! Hurry!
Goddamn mega zombie! Come on!
Put him on the terms.
Are you sure this is gonna work?
Anything's possible. That's my motto. Oh, no. Oh, no, there's no power.
What? Oh, look, here they come!
You know what you look like? An overdressed hippie! Come out!
Series leak!
Well, give me a hand!
What?
I hope those kids got that thing hooked up.
Keep the faith, Fred.
Almost there. Now give a planking move!
Higher! More elevation! And you had me worried about cell phone radiation!
That's funny!
Almost in range! We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. And run! And run!